everyone, my name is Alex, otherwise known as Alex Bronwyn MUA. Today I'm going to be trying the new BYS Cosmetics Safari collection. Look at all this amazing stuff. So BYS has been very kind and they've sent me a whole bunch of things. So I'm going to give myself a challenge and use all the BYS cosmetics to do a full face of makeup. So the new Safari collection, we have an eyeshadow palette. So they're quite nice neutral coloured tones in here. So I'm really looking forward to giving myself a challenge and doing quite an intense full glam makeup look using this palette. My nails match. Oh, perfect. Look at this. All matching. In here is the brushes. So these are your essentials. Then we have the Big and Bold Hypoallergenic Mascara. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna prep and prime my face. My eye base is prepped. I'm gonna go in with the darkest colors in the Safari palette. Start dabbing on the outside. Now don't worry about down the bottom too much because I'm gonna tidy that all up. As long as we get the pigmentation that we need in the outside corner. For me to achieve particular makeup looks, I like to use a variety of brushes with different fluffiness and thicknesses and densities to them. I'm now going to go in with the next darkest colour, which is called Instinct, and maybe a bit of this one here. And we're going to go in with that and just blend it all together. So I'm going to fluff it into the dark colour. So pretty much like mixing them, and then pat the product so we get that beautiful blend. I'm going to go ahead and do a cut crease now. So I'm going to be cutting my crease using the BYS eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go in with the BYS concealer. This is in the shade medium. I'm going to plonk on my eyelids here. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and start putting on the eyeshadow. Okay, I've gone ahead and I put that glitter on top of my eyelids. It looks really messy at the moment. I will be cleaning it up. I'm now going to do a wing liner in black. And then I will stick some lashes on. We have the BYS One Day Tattoo Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Now I always have the most difficulty with my right eye, it's very twitchy. So I'm going to do this off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I've done those wings. I've also given myself a little cat eye into the inner corner, which was really, really easy using this pen. So now all I have to do is finish off and clean up under my eyes and stick some lashes on. Today we're gonna go and use the triple lashes. Before I do that, I'm going to put on some mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick those lashes on now. So I'm just going in with any white liquid liner. My final look, I hope you all love it. Definitely gone for the safari jungle kind of theme. It was lovely to show you guys this tutorial using the brand new safari collection by BYS. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!